What you're about to learn in the next 5 minutes or so are a few of the most attractive qualities an attractive man can possess. These traits have been noted to be the best working when it comes to attracting women. When it comes to attracting the ladies, it's really very important to have your internal features such as attitude, self-respect, and goals on the higher side. That means you give the most priority to yourself, rather than others. So, let's get started. Number 1, the first impression is really important. How many times do you think other dating coaches would have told you this was important, and how many times do you think I told you this was important? Yes, it's really the most important thing to do, even before you're able to land a date. A good first impression can be made in an easy way. You just need to be hygienic, well-dressed, and walk like a real man. The first impression is made by the way you look even before you speak. Keep this in mind. Number 2, ability to risk. This is the most attractive quality a man can ever possess. In this world of struggle to fix career, needs, wants, living, hunger, and shelter, almost 80% of the population is running after safety. Picking safe jobs and looking for the safest path to overcome that struggle. The problem with the safest path in a career is, there is no likability for what you're doing, it's just a safer way to sustain yourself in this world. Where's the remaining struggle to make their passionate career? They take huge risks. They know clearly, they're not made to live like an ordinary, but to rule. This type of attitude is what drives women crazy. Not only in a career, taking risks can be applied in various aspects. Number 3, approachability is attractive. Do you guys even agree, if you sit idle and shy in front of a girl you really love, she's gonna fall for you? No. Absolutely not. A man is 1,000 times more attractive when he can approach women with confidence. When he can make the first impression and make confident eye contact. So, guys, start working on your approaching skills, rather than sitting idle and thinking how to approach her. Taking an action is the best thing you can do, instead of sitting idle. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.